My market probability is bullish week 50, sideways, choppy 30, bearish. All right. All right. This week is gonna be insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Alright, let's do your fully week macro game plan. Arizona time. Only using bullish, bearish, up, down. Week Monday, December 1st, Friday, December 5th, Arizona time, you guys. Main theme inflation week. PCE on Friday is the boss. So, we have a lot of fucking data coming up this week, but you gotta remember that Friday is gonna be our turning point. These are what's gonna affect this data: the S&P, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and silver. Ethereum is like silver, gold is like Bitcoin, and that's why they also, if you notice when you see the market conversation, you also will see like Bitcoin is kind of like gold, but the digital asset, this is that. So if you look at silver and Ethereum, silver is like Ethereum. Ethereum is lighter. Ethereum moves faster than Bitcoin. Same with silver. That's why you're seeing silver create a new all-time high, whereas gold is still a little heavy, just hanging on. But once we continue with this blast off, you'll see silver hit most likely the 60s, as gold is about to break this new all-time high, or above the 60s. Anyways, here's the big picture for the week, you guys. So Fed is in pre-meeting quiet period. So data dominates the narrative. That's why this data is important to watch, you guys. Like the data that we have lined up for this week is very important, because the Fed, this data really, a bunch of this data is data from September. Let me show. Oh, I can show you right here. So here's the data on Monday. Survey of manufacturing activity. Above 50 expectation, below 50 expectation contract. So bullish means the market is going to react positive today is if it prints stays comfortably above 50. But I believe that's false. I believe that if we come with good numbers and it shows that manufacturers are doing good, the market is going to take that as not as good as they normally would when the market is doing bad. By bad, I mean bad in another way, because there's all kinds of fucking ways, names for the market, periods that we're in right now, this bullshit. But what the markets want to hear, they want to hear bad news. They want to hear, hey, manufacturers isn't doing that good. And that's gonna push the market up, because investors are taking that as, oh shit, then that means the Fed is definitely gonna cut interest rate because this is coming out bad. So if we get good news, the market will react positive to it, but not as positive as if it was bad data. Just again, because we're coming to the end, closer to the Federal Reserve decision. So we really want to hear bad news with the market, not really, hey, everything's good, you guys. Because think about it. Let's say all the data came out that was delayed and current data, and all of it comes out good. Hey, you guys, every data came out good. The economy is doing great. You really think that's gonna fucking investors are gonna take that as like, oh fuck yeah, we're doing great, hell yeah, we're gonna cut interest rate now? No, it's gonna be like, oh fuck, the Fed is gonna look at it and they're gonna be like, hey, well, the economy is doing good, you guys. We don't. It doesn't seem like you need to have interest rate cuts. based on the data just came out. So that's why this data has to be a little bit bad, especially on Monday. That would push it up a notch, and fucking Bitcoin will, especially because it's gonna be the first of the month. You got all this printing, stopping, bullshit going on in the dollar. That's also why Monday's gonna be a big move. So if especially if we get that bad news, like I said, the market's gonna react positive to it, and you're gonna see a market open way happy. Even though I think it's already gonna open happy, just based on how Bitcoin, Ethereum were reacting throughout the week. Um, your bearish drops come back below 50, confirms manufacturer weakness, adds recession fears, which adds pressure to the Fed to cut interest rates. So that's why likely market reaction bullish print. Supports soft landing narrative. Bitcoin goes up, risk on, especially if yields on the spike. Gold and silver slightly down, flat, less fear, slightly bearish, down, choppy. So if we get bad news, gold and silver, all these three will go on up. They will react positive to the bad news. If we get good news, then these will go sideways and really not really have a bullish move to it, as it would if it was bad news, right? Um, and here we have, oh, I forgot there's two data that day. We have another one at 8 in the morning, Arizona time. Bigger, older manufacturer survey, key for bonds and equities, last reading 48. Jump closer, so bullish, jump closer or above 50. Again, if we get fucking, if both of these come out bad, again, I believe the market is going to react positive. If both of these come out good, I believe the market is going to be react neutral or just nothing to it. And if we get a combination of both, of good and bad, the market is going to fucking go 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 more for the bad one and react positive to it. Now, I told you guys about Bitcoin, Ethereum daily, the three candle box, this area right here. I told you that when we fell right here, that this fall was a fake out. Why? Because if you see it on the 1 hour candle, there's certain time when the market reacts, especially when it breaks certain support or resistance. So this was the area, if you can see Ethereum, that was consolidating. Yeah, we had this nice little drop, but it was consolidating. This was the key area to hold. That's why we've been going up on Friday, and we come back down. It pauses here and then shoots right below it. And after that, we have a hard time breaking on up. So since we broke it, especially on a 4 hour candle, so this was area right here, 4,014, 3,014. We broke it on a 4 hour candle, but we were still in this region, so it doesn't really matter because we got support here. So it's not like we broke this and hanging down here. We're hanging above it or in it. So it doesn't really fucking panic as me for a investor, a trader, or seeing where the market's gonna go, because I know how this bitch works. It does this shit, and then coming Saturday, Sunday night, it does this shit. It pulls up. So, and I also told you guys that if we closed a 4 hour candle and just kept on going down and hit the 2,700, 900 region, we're gonna start going on down. Especially if we stick to 2,970 and we close at a 12 hour candle and just kept with that pressure, we're gonna start going down. Otherwise, if we maintain above this, we're still bullish. So, anyways, you guys. So we have another drop on down, and this was a 9. So okay, from 9 to 1 o'clock, it should have dropped if it was really going to drop. The fact that the 4 hour candle just did a, what do you call this shit? A reverser or a hammer, or what the fuck you guys call this shit? Right here. This candle is telling me that it's neutral. Buyer and sellers are fucking in the middle pretty much. It's telling me, hey, we're going to start reversing. We're not going to go on down. And you can see right here, the next 4 hour candle shoots above, again, pointing you that we're going to continue going on up. When you go to a 1 hour candle, all this was telling me, hey, don't worry about it. Don't fucking trip. Don't sell. Don't post nothing stupid about, hey, the market's going to start going down, because it's not. As we get to Saturday night and Sunday morning, especially towards your 9 o'clock and your 1 p.m., you're going to see this. Once we get to 3 p.m., halfway between the last 4 hour candle of the month and of the week, you're going to see Ethereum pushing up. 3,448. And then as the market opens at 3 o'clock, S&P opens future at 3 o'clock, you're gonna see Ethereum pushing up and just be close the day somewhere above 3,049 for the day, and then for the month. All this is really bullish, you guys. All this is really bullish. The fact that Ethereum is holding between a weekly, like I said again in my videos over and over, the fact that Ethereum is hanging over a weekly 50 Fibonacci, I mean under the fact that Ethereum's under 50 weekly Fibonacci, but it's above, oh shit, it's above a monthly Fibonacci, 50 Fibonacci. So all this is still bullish. The fact that it's closer to the weekly 50 Fibonacci, and the fact that we have, on top of that, we got Powell talking. Got Powell talking on Monday. Watch. 6 p.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks. What is he gonna fucking speak about at 6 p.m. Monday after the market is closed? What a fucking coincidence. Wow, what are they gonna talk about? Either I'll be really surprised if he stepped down or mentioned something about stepping down early. And this is gonna be interesting because you won't be able to react to this shit till the market is open. By the time the market opens, these hedge funds and whatnot are gonna have moved the market by a lot. And when it's gonna open on Tuesday, you're gonna see all these fucking gaps. You're gonna see all these fucking crazy pulls or whatnot, or drops depending what the Fed say tomorrow at 6 p.m. Arizona time. Dovish acknowledged cooling inflation data doesn't push back or the market's rate cut expectation up if we sound relaxed. Gold and silver up 2 if he sounds comfortable with the easing the policy. If he mentioned anything about rate cuts being cut or this and that, expect fucking Bitcoin and silver and Ethereum and nail these fucks fucking flying up uh during fucking Monday evening or whatnot. And the market's gonna open on Tuesday fucking high as fuck. Not high as fuck crazy, but just, you know, pushing a hawkish line. Inflation still too high. Yeah, that could fucking retrace the market on down. Damn, and that's gonna be barely fucking Monday starting. Jeez, let's go. It's gonna be fucking dope, yo. Could hit S&P and crypto metals might pop. But yeah, no fucking shit. Silver's already fucking showing you, hey, I wanna fly like an eagle. Where you are, silver? To the sea. Fine. I'm telling you, when silver hits its 60s, no, it's already there. When it passes 60s, like 60-ish or whatnot, you should see fucking gold go to its near to the all-time high-ish, the 40,000, whatever the fuck it was. And when you see silver go to the mid 60s, low 70s, like 70s or whatnot, you're gonna see fucking gold blast off. This is a alpha. We got to lift off. God damn, it's everything fucking telling you right now. It's about to fly. And everybody's tripping about Bitcoin because why is Bitcoin not flying on up when the S&P and everything else is flying? Because they want to catch you off guard. They don't want to make it easier for you. What the fuck? You think they want to make it easier for you before Bitcoin Ethereum blast off on high to a new all-time highs? Come on, buddy. And that's the S&P. The S&P is going to open in futures at 3 p.m. So it's going to be very important how it opens. But anyways, you guys, yeah, that's pretty much what the market is waiting for. All this telling me is the S&P 500 is going to open where it's at. It's happy. It's neutral. It's waiting. Otherwise, Bitcoin would have fucking been flying high already with all this big news. But anyways, enough of this shit. Bye, Erica. David, what's up? A gift you like? Yes. Yeah, I appreciate it if you did, man, but I don't really care. I just want to update you guys on this. For those of you that aren't to Bitcoin or the market in general, finance, stocks, gold, silver, please start learning about this shit. I'm gonna make videos breaking down how I see the market. I keep saying this, but I will. I'm working with a friend of mine. I've opened up a streaming platform. That way I can actually be more active with you guys and explain my view on the market and how I see these graphs and how I connect everything together. If you guys think I'm talking about my ass, go watch my videos. That's why I make these videos. Go watch my videos, my last 5 videos of these calls that I've been calling for the market in silver and gold, the S&P 500. Do you see my message? Yeah, I see your message, man. Tranny Lily. But anyways, you guys, this is Brian Seacrest signing out, and this will be one of the craziest fucking weeks. I'm telling you right now.